Today guys, I'm unboxing a Bluetooth speaker. This one is, the brand is SUPERSONIC. It's a 4-band Bluetooth radio rechargeable battery. It's similar to the one that I unboxed some time ago as the Jet 4. If you check one of my videos, you'll be able to see info on the Jet 4. Okay, so there it is. Let's remove this. So it's Bluetooth. So the top here, we've got the function switch. This is to set it to Bluetooth or to radio. This is to turn it on. You turn it on, it comes on. This is the radio. Or you switch it over to Bluetooth. So it's waiting to pair. And these bands here, that's for the radio. This is for the radio. So you have shortwave, you have AM and FM radio right here. Okay, these are for the controls of the USB. So it does have some ports here. So this port here is for USB. This is for the FT card. And this is maybe if you want to plug in another device, you can. So I'll show you how it's rechargeable. Just watch to the ending of the video. So it has an antenna so that it could pick up the waves, especially for the AM and FM radio. Okay, let's just put it in. And over here, we have the charging port over here. And this one is for your headphones. It seems pretty decent. Let's just put it on again.
Oh, by the way, let's refresh you here a little bit.
Plays loud, very powerful. Alright. So I'm just gonna plug in a USB thumb drive. I'm just gonna plug it in here. Right, so this is where you plug it in, and you're able to use the function setter so that you could use the USB to see, so that you could get some power, and you'd be able to select whatever it is that you want to play. So I've tried the Bluetooth and I find it's working quite fine. Okay guys, please like and support. Probably will come back to you. If you have any questions on this, let me know. Now this is compared to this other one that I got. If you look, you'll be able to see the other video. This is the Jet 4. It's similar. It's just that this one has the knobs that you could tune the radio, and you could put it on with knobs. But this other one is more digital. But it has the same slot for the flash drive. It has the power charge. It has this one has a mic that you could plug in a mic, but this one does not have it. Okay, so let us look at the back of this one. It comes with the charger because you have to know how to charge the battery. So let's just open it up. Alright, there it is. So this charger came with it. So you plug it in here. Push it in here. And this you connect to your power. Connect to the wall socket. And that's how you're able to charge the battery. Or if you do not want to, you could use 4 double-D batteries. You could put it in, and then you're able to use the battery with it. But if not, you just charge it up. It's a rechargeable battery on the inside, so you could use that rechargeable battery so that you could have power. And when the power is down, you just charge it up again. So the brand is SUPERSONIC 4-band Bluetooth radio rechargeable battery. Right? So it has all the specs here. These are the specs here. It's lightweight, portable, AM/FM radio, built-in Bluetooth compatible. It has the radio that works also with the Bluetooth, the SD card slot, the MP3 compatible with most of the formats. It has the antenna, the built-in rechargeable battery. It also has the carrying handle, and the power supply is 110 to 240 DC 6 volts. This one is nice. I like this one. So I would encourage you guys to watch my videos. Product review, calabash, green, SLU, product review. So just follow through and you could get lots of products that you could see that I have unboxed, so that you could have an honest view as to how it works.